Meanwhile, angry mob from Kaisamthong constituency and various places stormed the residence of Kaisamthong MLA Nishikanta Sapam at Thoda Bhabok Laikai. The agitation erupted after the MLA was found absent when locals visited his residence to discuss pressing concerns related to the ongoing issue. Frustrated by his absence, the crowd took matters into their own hands, expressing their dissatisfaction through the protest. The crowd caused significant damage to the property, including the gate and the security bunker.
Sina Pangya, do how you pop the point of Emilia, Mayam, the Conco, the lady, CMP, Manato Saka, Mayam, Hora Mabu, Huntado, Haga, Mayam Chana, a way, people do young one, therefore, I took it a month. I see how Nabako, Mayam, I don't know, Emilia, Macau,
Moi mi ambole te hare moi mi lai traga di paza mayam na moi ye khubi soi na moi ye chokki do phaman bani na uju moi lai traga de kholi like mo thu age moi lai biranu moi gi gat thari ba khulai paraga lai ri base kuki ge thenaru cho akoi ma gi su machan macha kaya se no ma gi mayeng thare aduna akoi ju khang ngam dre aduna khoi khang ngam dre bani na khojikti moi si dai da khulai paraga nga khoi ge ma thau lai ge aduna moi ma thau lai ge moi ju loi chakro cholon ba ya dragan loi hanga la like mo thu ge koi ge.
Protesters also stormed the residence of Sagolband MLA RK Imo, situated at Sagolband Bijoy Govindam among Laikai, demanding a stance on the involving crisis in the state. Upon finding out that MLA was not present at his residence, protesters burned down furniture that were at the MLA's residence. Protesters in Kurai also stormed the residence of CAF and PD Minister Leshangthem Susindro, situated along Kurai Tinsit Road in Imphal district. The demonstrators sought to confront the minister, however, he was reportedly not in his residence at the time. In response, the mob proceeded to block passage along Kurai Tinsit Road, disrupting traffic movement. People also stormed the residence of Langthabal MLA Garam Sham at Lilong Chazing, demanding a stern decision regarding the current issue. Garam Sham addressed the public and expressed his willingness to resign from his position if it would help in resolving the matter at hand. He further proposed holding a public meeting at Kangjibung to reach a decision that aligns with the people's sentiments.
I can't resign to all about and never want to give up. I don't I do Yamuna, Mahonga, Prazan, and Namuja, Yamuna Taiva. Sarkar did Tato, Haibo Kambu, Sarkar Tato, Haibo Kambu, resign to Haibo Kambu, resign to Haibo Kambu. mayamgi phirem aman lauraga thabak to tawgeba ai juridi leyeba leibang na luye MLA gi phamna lude leibang na lui.
In similar incident, an infuriated crowd stormed the residence of Patsoy SAG MLA Sapam Kunjakeshwar, widely known as Keba, demanding a stern resolution of the ongoing crisis. The mob burnt down a vehicle outside the gate of his premise. Enraged crowd also stormed Ketrigal SAG MLA Sheikh Nurul Hassan's residence. He was also absent from his premise. However, the crowd met with his associates and demanded for a resolution regarding the issue.